evening. And first of all, I would like to thank Bharat Exhibition and Shashiji for giving us opportunity to once again associate. I've been associated with this event personally as well as a company for last four years in the row. And I believe this is one single platform which brings whole of industry together who are involved in smart city landscape. Moving on, but since we are talking about the smart city landscape, there are a lot of challenges which today's city administration faces in terms of smart mobility, unified mobility, the security, surveillance, and those kind of challenges which are faced by city administration. We have specific products and solutions which suits the city administration requirements of managing the smart traffic smartly from the viewpoint of surveillance, the smart ANPR cameras which are inbuilt engine, or the global shutter camera which is the need of the hour with the speed of the vehicles moving faster and faster. Still you need to capture all the details and attributes of the vehicle very clearly during day and night as well. That's where this technology of global shutter comes into picture. Apart from that, the overall solutions which are available in and around surveillance, be the face recognition system or the different violations in traffic or the waste management, those kind of challenges can be avoided with a lot of AI powered features which are built into the camera and the overall surveillance solution. And that's where we think we can play a role, a vital role in terms of helping the administration and take it long way and move forward year after year, mitigating all the challenges. Thank you once again, Bharat Exhibition, for giving us the opportunity.
Hello, I represent Videonetics. For the industry of smart cities and safe cities and the challenges in urban landscape, we offer our solutions under safety, security, and surveillance to address the concerns or the challenges in this domain. So some of the solutions that we offer, it is predominantly addressing all the law enforcement, crime prevention, or traffic problems within the city. So the solutions that we actually offer is your video management software, primarily for your recording, live viewing, retrieving, archival, and monitoring purpose, and your video analytics. In video analytics, we offer object-based monitoring, traffic-based monitoring, and people-based monitoring. So all the issues that are related to behavioral detection, that is your people monitoring, crowd intrusion, zone monitoring, tripwire, or any abnormal behavior such as people fighting and person collapsing, these anomalies can be detected and authorities can be intimated for an immediate action. Under traffic monitoring, we started with offering red light violations, speed violations, stop line violations to ensure that the city traffic is maintained, monitored, and all the rash driving or signal jumping or such events can be prevented and can be challaned. And as a company, we started catering to the use cases of no helmet, triple riding, no seat belt, driver on call as the additional use cases on top of the traditional use cases. And we have been deploying such solutions for now almost about 15,000 lanes covering Indian market. And we are the company who have actually, as a true Indian company, catering to the global problems. We have come up with the license plate detection of Arabic license plate, for Bangla license plate, wherein a Indian company is offering such solutions. Under smart city, where the municipal authorities' major interest area or the key area is to ensure the waste is managed, maintained properly, on time picked up, and streets are ensured as clean. So for such applications, we are offering our smart urban video analytics, which actually monitors the waste bin, which monitors the streets, whether it is filled with garbage, debris, or litter, so that the authorities can be intimated and an appropriate action can be taken. So all these applications we have come up with, the platform on video surveillance as a service, which is a microservices based, which is meant for a rapid scalability, and it is more of a multi-tenancy based, which fulfills the requirement of multi-tenancy based edge to cloud sort of an architecture. So I think broadly this is what is our offerings.
Today, more than ever, there is an increasing need to drive sustainability and ESG related goals in all real estate and related industries. Real estate consumes contributes nearly 40% of all the emissions in the globe today, and that has to be contained. Digital Blanket helps with that. Digital Blanket is an IoT and SaaS enabled platform that helps create intelligent buildings, transform workplace experience, and most importantly, helps decarbonize buildings faster. Digital Blanket provides an authentic, reliable, and auditable source of data from where insights can be gathered for all requirements of the building industry from an operational standpoint, covering from energy conservation to water, emission, waste, and all the related areas to become the single source of truth for all your ESG reporting requirements.
My company, Gaia Smart City Solutions Private Limited, we have been the most prolific technology company in the smart city space right from the beginning of the Smart Cities mission in 2015. We have worked as a consultant to more than 15 cities developing their main smart city plans. We have worked as a project management consultant for various cities, and we have also developed solutions where we have integrated technology into the operations of a city. Not just the operations of a city, we look at the larger concept of distributed assets and distributed operations. So we connect an Internet of Things platform, an Internet of Process platform, and an Internet of People platform. We manage workforce, which is distributed. We manage assets, which are distributed, and we glue them together with a low-code application. So our solutions are being used by various infra tech companies and city governments and central governments and railways and defense departments to automate a lot of processes that they have on the field. We provide solutions for automation of hospital workforce, of real estate workforce, of highways, of real estate buildings, and many other such portfolio companies. So our company, Gaia, is a SaaS-based AI low-code platform which provides solutions for solving complex distributed operations problems in smart cities, safe cities, and making cities more sustainable.
We are extremely happy and excited to be a part of this event. This event resonates with our commitment to building a more safer, smarter, and livable society. At NEC, we are creating a citizen-centric and state-of-the-art technologies and solution that is empowering lives and building a better future for all. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Thanks, Bharat Exhibition, for inviting me to this particular event of safe cities and intelligent urban mobility related complete congregation across the industries, experts and opinion makers and policy makers and all of them. Well, so the urban management and urban mobility is moving to a next direction. So far it has been mainly in the area of how to automate it, how to aggregate it, how to centralize the things and how to manage them, and putting the cameras here and there or such kind of instruments and traffic, the controllers or the automating the signals. It was all about automation. But the next few years, especially couple of maybe a decade at least, or 5 years to 10 years, is going to be mainly about how to innovate it, how to bring some inventive measures such as artificial intelligence into it or machine learning into it. So the next 1 decade is going to be the AI decade. This is what is the global buzz right now. And We from Astricos AI, as a platform, we are really focusing on the data driven or intelligence, and also the artificial intelligence powered by the machine learning in the area of urban safety, security, and also bringing in the seamless mobility. Mobility is not, the meaning of the mobility is not to create red signals, create more and more green signals and keep the traffic flowing. So in order to do that, the data will help to do the lot of data intelligence will help to do the lot of the intelligence policy changes, and all such kind of things will be seen in the forthcoming years. That is where we are looking forward to contribute. And once again, thanks for this opportunity, and looking forward to more such kind of events. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vikas Jha. I work for Aviros. I'm the Vice President for Sales for Public Sector. Aviros is a video analytic marketplace where you have hundreds of video analytics use cases hosted on single platform. Aviros is an Indian company, and now it's on in 9th years of its inception. Company is A-series funded. We have large number of projects which we are working in Safe City, Smart City, ITMS solutions, and many use cases in enterprise segment. We have also developed a joint venture product named Percept with Pratt & Whitney for engine inspection, and we are doing a lot of projects globally to other countries for various types of use cases. Aviros has headquartered in Gurgaon. We have about 80 engineers. Half of them are computer vision and data scientists. So the company has great potential, as we are doing some of the largest safe city and smart city projects in India. Thank you.
Very happy to be here at the show of Bharat Exhibition, which is about safety and mobility. We at Intelliscene work closely with our customers to get a lot of real value and real data, which is as a result of a lot of integrations which take place. So we all know one major challenge we have in the country is that there are various systems which are not connected at all. So Intelliscene enables its customers and partners to make sense of the data which comes to its platform after integration. So for example, in Safe City projects, our platform integrates with the license plate, the face recognition, and a lot of government databases to make sense of all the data and give a tangible information to the operator so that he can take an effective decision. Similarly, in campus case study, which I talked about in my presentation, we have integrated with a lot of third-party systems, and all these third-party systems then generate a real-time alert and alarm for the operator. The whole objective at Intelliscene is to enable the operator to take a decision as soon as he gets an alert and an alarm, so that he is capable to see what is the situation and what he needs to do. If we are able to do this in time, if the operator is able to do this in time, it can result in huge savings of precious human lives. So this is what we do. We are present in India since many years, and we have huge case studies as well as deployments in India. Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to participate in the Safe City conference. So I come from Netscope. We are into SaaS solution provider. We are leaders in this domain. And if I talk about smart city or safe city, where I would say there is a lot of critical infra, as well as the data which has been generated by a lot of sensors from the different parts of the cities to the central data center. We can value add with respect to, one thing is on the connectivity side, where different sensors which are connecting to the central hub can be connected through our Zero Trust SASE devices. In addition to that, we can also value add with respect to secured connectivity to these applications with the help of our Zero Trust network access solution. And holistically, we can provide complete security for your infra with the help of our data security offering on different channels, whether you talk about web, email, host, as well as IS and SaaS channels. In addition to that, we can provision a complete threat protection strategy and Zero Trust security strategy for the critical infra which smart cities are using in their premises. So we can value add in these platforms as well as the areas. And behind the scene, we are using a lot of AI, ML technologies, threat inspection technologies, data leakage prevention microservices, and using the compute capacity from the cloud to scan and churn the data and provide a contextual security for the infrastructure which is devised for the smart cities.
So whenever we talk about smart cities, we talk about a lot of IoT systems, cameras, data systems, and all of this data coming in together. Now, humans for the last 2 years have collected more data since we have in the existence of our species. Now, how do we deal with this data has not changed. We have just moved from rectangular pieces of paper to rectangular screens now. We have to think about ways of representing this data in a better manner rather than having endless dashboards, and better to analyze it as well. So we are a company which has created a digital twin platform wherein your cities can be replicated in 3-dimensional. Just like you can see the cities in the real world, you can see the cities in 3D. Your cars going past, your buildings in 3D, and everything that is happening there live. How your EV distribution is happening, how your sewage treatment and all is happening, how your utilities are moving in and out. So all of those things and the environmental impact of it, energy consumption, everything is replicated live. There is an AI-based system that we have created along with it to also analyze this particular data. And that's where we think is going to be the next frontier, which is going to make smart cities a reality. It's going to make it more accessible, and also, that is where the smart cities are going to achieve the scale with the use of the digital twin technology. Thanks.
Hi, I want to congratulate Bharat Exhibition and Mr. Shashidharan for organizing such a beautiful event where all the literate and intellectual people from the industry and our policymakers are coming on the platform. For the usefulness and importance of the smart cities and the safe cities in the current arena. And TechBridge as a company is very much excited and participating in the smarter and safe cities, intelligent mobility, where we are creating the cyber security and the security as a prime concern which is to be addressed. Our solution are able to address the concern of the people in terms of identity management, which is a big area of concern for the government and the policymakers. We help in securing the digital infrastructure and the financial infrastructure of the country, where we are able to contribute into the safer city environment with the intelligent mobility. And we look forward for engaging more with the policymakers and the people who are involved in the ecosystem, how we can work together and create a safer world for everyone. Thank you.
Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise plays a pivotal role in addressing the challenges of urban landscape by providing secure, resilient networks and communication solutions for smart cities. We deliver solutions that connect people, objects, machines, and processes, allowing smart cities to ensure positive outcomes and enterprises for their citizens. ALE's solution enable connectivity across the city with wired wireless networks, communication platforms, and workflow integration with open standard business platforms. Our workflow automation platforms are based on open standard. As a result, they are easily integrated with other processes. We interoperate with many different types of systems and devices to create an autonomous network and addresses the needs of smart city deployments. Our IoT-enabled LAN, wireless LAN solutions cover all the city network requirements and provide secure and automated IoT onboarding. Smart cities are 24/7. When there is an incident in a resort, connecting to the relevant groups and people together to respond and mobilizing support must be done quickly and efficiently. ALE's Rainbow CPaaS solution have workflow capabilities and leverage communication methods to mobilize, inform, and update different teams automatically. ALE support smart public services like intelligent transport, intelligent e-governance, all while fostering collaboration with partners to ensure our solutions align with the evolving needs of modern cities. By integrating our technologies with urban intelligence, we help cities become more efficient, secure, and reliable.
Thank you, Bharat Exhibitions, for giving this opportunity to speak and share about what Adore would be contributing in road safety and smart cities. Adore Powertron is part of an 108-year-old Advani Oerlikon group, and we are predominantly into power electronics since 1970. Around 2018, we did get into road safety and traffic enforcement. Points that we would like to share on road safety as well as smart city would be enforcement. We strongly recommend enforcement happening in on the roads because the numbers speak about it. We have around 165,000 deaths per year on the highways, and so speeding being a main reason for these deaths. So what we would like to push across through policies, have an uniform policy across on road enforcement. We've been doing road enforcement since 2019. We would like this same thing to be spread across all the highways and reduce the fatalities on the highways.
The current urban mobility ecosystem is not fully equipped to cater to the growing demand of travel. However, smart urban mobility offers a solution to fundamentally transform the mobility landscape. With AI and data-driven solutions, the urban mobility landscape can be more energy efficient, cost-effective, and future-ready. Today, at the Safe City and Mobility Conference, we have launched our thought leadership on smart urban mobility, wherein the framework of the paper and the thought leadership is hinged upon the word smart. The framework wherein S stands for sustainable, M stands for multimodal and seamless, A stands for AI enabled, R stands for resilient and safe, and T stands for technology transition. The paper delves deeper into these 5 pillars of smart mobility. I would urge all the mobility professionals to download the paper available in the public domain and go through the details and give your feedback to us. Thank you very much.
मैं दिलीप बहल हेड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस मद्रास सिक्योरिटी प्रिंटर चेन्नई से हूँ. हम लोग लीडिंग सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटर हैं और हमने चेन्नई स्मार्ट सिटी चेन्नई पुलिस के लिए सारे कैमरास लगाए हैं और सारे ट्रैफिक सिस्टम को मैनेज कर रहे हैं. करनाल स्मार्ट सिटी में भी हमने काम किया है, कमांड सेंटर बनाया है और कैमरास लगाए हैं. हम स्मार्ट सिटीज़ में बहुत सारी सिटीज़ में काम कर रहे हैं और हमारा फोकस है कि इंडिया बिल्कुल सेफ रहे, जिससे क्राइम रेट कम हो. इस प्रकार का हम काम कर रहे हैं और देश में जो वुमेन सिक्योरिटी है स्पेशली, उसके लिए हमारे ये सिस्टम बहुत काम आने वाले हैं. और मैं अपनी कंपनी की तरफ से सबका यह स्वागत करता हूँ. थैंक यू.